Yeah, this is not just us here in North Texas. This storm system has moved into the entire state, a large part of the state. In fact, on one end, we're going to have severe storms. On the northern end of that, we're going to be looking at the wintry weather. So you see the winter storm warnings in effect for the Panhandle, but look how far those stretch all the way up into the Great Lakes region and those winter weather advisories along with that. So as we take a look at the snow that's going to be falling across the Panhandle, moving on into portions of Oklahoma, we'll have the widespread rain mixed in with that snow. And as we zoom in on that area of the heavier snow around Amarillo, getting into portions of Oklahoma here late this morning, heading into the afternoon. On the southern end of that, we're looking at the severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings in effect along the Gulf Coast. We're going to have that threat for severe weather continuing as we go through the morning, heading on into the early and mid-afternoon hours here. You can see the marginal, slight and enhanced risk for strong and severe thunderstorms along the Gulf Coast, and that does include the Houston-Galveston area stretching over toward New Orleans as well. So they will have that potential for the severe weather on the southern end of this system, and you see that line of storms gets a little more organized perhaps as we head into the evening hours. Now we're going to be talking about the snow mixing in again, not melting here. It will be melting, not sticking around here across North Texas. The heavier snows into portions of the upper Midwest a little bit later on tonight as well. But we'll have those strong and severe thunderstorms moving right through New Orleans. That's going to be later on this evening with that threat for severe weather continuing in those areas. So this is a strong dynamic system and impacting a large part of Texas and the country, in fact. So it's not just us here in North Texas. All right, Cleo, back to you.
All right, Greg, thank you. Glad to have you here on Midday as well.